Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making sure WhatsApp is updated and that camera and microphone permissions are granted. This prevents interruptions. Once done, open the chat, tap Video Call, and wait until the video connects. Make sure you stay in the call screen, then look for the emoji or reaction icon among the on-screen controls. Tap that icon to reveal the emoji drawer. This first step gets you into the UI you need to send reactions quickly and reliably. Now you pick and customize the emoji. Tap an emoji to send a quick reaction. If you need a variant, long press to choose skin tone or alternate forms. If you want more options, switch to Gboard or your installed keyboard. Open the keyboard inside the call chat field to access extra emoji, GIF, and sticker search. To use stickers, open the sticker panel, download a pack if needed, and tap a sticker to send. This lets you express tone and emphasis while staying live on video. To finish, verify that your reaction or sticker appears for both participants. If it doesn't, resend or pick an animated sticker for clarity. Make sure to favorite sticker packs you use often so future calls are faster and less distracting. If emoji options are missing or not sending, update WhatsApp, clear the app cache, confirm permissions, and restart the app or phone. Reinstall only as a last resort. This troubleshooting line resolves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.